Hey Era Gang, so this video will be voiceovered because the audio in my video has been cut off. I don't know what was going on with the mic that day, but I really wanted to put this video up because I really love these products and I wanted to show you what I got. So let's get right into the video. Okay you guys, so I'm opening the box and the first thing I get is this Laura Lee card that says her beautiful face on it. This is the Boss palette card for the palette for Boss, and then the other side has the Party Animal palette. I only got the Boss palette because I couldn't afford both of them and it was $30, so I was so excited when I saw the Boss palette from Laura Lee Los Angeles. So I opened my palette and to show y'all what it looks like, and here goes the packaging. And as you can see, oh my god, I'm so excited to open another thing. And the colors were so pigmented and beautiful. I like the little golden yellow in the middle and like the nice brown shades. Oh my god, so beautiful. I love this palette like so much. I just fell in love with it as soon as I opened it. So yeah, that's the Boss palette. Okay, so the next package I'm about to open up is the Nudie Patootie bundle, and this is the Nudie Patootie palette with the nude lipsticks. As you can see, I opened the Nudie Patootie bundle from Laura Lee Los Angeles. I really was hoping to get this package really early, but I didn't have the funds for it, so I waited until I had the funds for it. And I just fell in love with the packaging. It's very beautiful. I love the pinks and the purples. I love the nudes. The nudes are like shiny and glossy and stuff. I love it that it's matte and looks very good. I tried to take it out, but it was like hard to take out from the packaging, so I just opened up the palette and to see what it looked like. And I love the pink shade that is like the third one in, and these eyeshadows are so beautiful, you guys. I'm so in love with them. That's why I made that damn face. And yeah, this is why I really love these eyeshadows so much. Like, oh my god, and they're creamy and buttery. Okay you guys, so this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what video I should do, and make sure you hit that notification button so you can see my next videos that I post. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I know it sucks because I had to do a voiceover, but next time I'll learn to keep my mic on when I'm recording. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.